Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Emily Cozy Podcast. I'm Emily, your host, and I'm so excited to be here with you today. This podcast is all about helping you learn English in a fun, easy, and cozy way. Whether you're relaxing at home or listening on your way to school or work, I'm here to share tips, tricks, and stories to make your English learning journey enjoyable. Today, we're diving into a super helpful topic: how to practice speaking English alone at home. If you've ever felt shy about speaking English, or you don't have anyone to practice with, don't worry, I've got you covered. By the end of this episode, you'll have tons of simple, practical ideas to improve your speaking skills, all by yourself. So, grab a cup of tea or coffee, get comfy, and let's get started. First, let's talk about why practicing speaking English alone is so powerful. A lot of people think you need a partner to practice speaking, but that's not true. Practicing alone helps you build confidence, improve your pronunciation, and feel more comfortable with the language. Plus, you can practice anytime, anywhere. No need to wait for someone else. When you practice alone, you're in control. You can make mistakes, laugh at yourself, and try again without feeling nervous. It's like exercising a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger your speaking skills get. So let's explore some fun and easy ways to do this at home. One of the easiest ways to practice speaking is to talk to yourself. Yes, it might feel a little strange at first, but it's super effective. You can do this while you're cooking, cleaning, or even getting ready in the morning. Just describe what you're doing in English. For example, if you're making breakfast, you can say, "Okay, now I'm cracking 2 eggs into a bowl. I'm adding some salt and pepper. Oh, I need to heat the pan." See? It's simple and it helps you practice everyday words and sentences. Try to do this for 5 to 10 minutes every day. The more you talk, the more natural it feels. And don't worry about making mistakes. No one is listening, so you can relax and have fun with it. Here's another fun idea. Use your mirror. Pretend the person in the mirror is your English practice partner. Stand in front of the mirror and talk about your day, your plans, or anything you like. For example, you could say, "Hi, mirror me. Today was a great day. I went for a walk, and now I'm going to watch a movie." This is great because you can see your mouth moving, which helps with pronunciation. It also feels like you're talking to someone, even though it's just you. Try smiling while you talk. It makes you feel more confident and happy. To make it even more fun, you can pretend you're giving a mini speech or introducing yourself to a new friend. Keep it simple and short at first. Then try longer conversations as you get better. Reading out loud is a fantastic way to practice speaking. You can use any English book, magazine, or even a website. Choose something easy to understand, like a children's book or a short news article. Then read it out loud, slowly and clearly. For example, if you're reading a story, you can say, "Once upon a time, there was a little cat who loved to play in the garden." Focus on saying each word clearly and try to sound natural, like you're telling the story to a friend. This helps you practice pronunciation, rhythm, and even new vocabulary. If you don't know a word, look it up, say it out loud a few times, and keep going. You can do this for 10 to 15 minutes a day, and you'll notice a big difference in how smoothly you speak. Another great way to practice is to record yourself. You can use your phone or computer to record short English speeches. For example, talk about your favorite movie, describe your dream vacation, or explain why you love your hobby. Keep it short, maybe 1 to 2 minutes at first. After you record, listen to it. Don't be too hard on yourself. Notice what sounds good and what you want to improve. For example, Maybe you said, I goed to the park instead of I went to the park. That's okay. Write down the mistake, practice the correct sentence, and try again. Recording yourself is like having a teacher who gives you feedback. It helps you hear your progress and feel proud of how far you've come. Plus, it's fun to listen to your old recordings later and see how much better you've gotten. Imitating native speakers is like a game that makes your English sound more natural. You can watch English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos and repeat what the speakers say. Choose something easy like a cartoon or a vlog so the language isn't too complicated. For example, if you're watching a cooking video and the host says, "Now, let's chop the vegetables," pause the video and say it out loud. "Now, let's chop the vegetables." Try to copy their tone, speed, and pronunciation. This is called shadowing, and it's a super fun way to improve your speaking. You can do this for 10 minutes a day while watching something you enjoy. It's like learning English and having fun at the same time. To make progress, it's important to practice regularly. A daily speaking routine doesn't have to be long. Just 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a big difference. Here's an example of a simple routine. 5 minutes, talk to yourself about your plans for the day. 5 minutes, read a short paragraph out loud from a book or article. 5 minutes, record yourself answering a fun question, like, what's your favorite food? 5 minutes, shadow a native speaker from a video. You can mix and match these ideas or add your own. The key is to make it a habit, like brushing your teeth. Find a time that works for you, maybe in the morning or before bed, and stick to it. Soon, speaking English will feel like a normal part of your day. There are so many apps and websites that can help you practice speaking alone. For example, apps like Elsa Speak or Speechling give you exercises to improve your pronunciation. You can also use voice-to-text tools like Google Translate to check if your words are clear. Here's how to use voice-to-text. Open the app, speak a sentence in English, like "I want to learn English every day," and see if the app writes it correctly. If it doesn't, try again with clearer pronunciation. It's like a little game to test yourself. These tools are free or low cost, and they're perfect for practicing at home. Spend a few minutes a day with one of these apps, and you'll see your speaking skills grow. Learning to speak English takes time, and that's okay. Some days you might feel super confident, and other days you might feel frustrated. That's normal. The most important thing is to keep trying and be kind to yourself. If you make a mistake, laugh it off and say, "Oops, let's try that again." Celebrate your progress, even if it's small. For example, maybe you used to be shy about speaking, but now you can talk to yourself for 5 minutes without stopping. That's a big win. Remember, every step you take is bringing you closer to your goal. You're doing something amazing by learning a new language, so give yourself a pat on the back. Wow, we've covered so many fun and easy ways to practice speaking English alone at home. Let's recap. You can talk to yourself, use your mirror, read out loud, record yourself, imitate native speakers, create a daily routine, use apps, and most importantly, be kind to yourself. These tips are simple, but if you practice them regularly, you'll be amazed at how much your speaking improves. I hope this episode has inspired you to start speaking English more at home. You don't need a partner or a classroom. You have everything you need to succeed right now. So, try one of these ideas today and let me know how it goes. You can leave a comment on the Emily Cozy Podcast YouTube channel or send me a message. I'd love to hear about your progress. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new episodes.